Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country and you've joined me here today at Victoria Court where we've got this amazing contemporary townhouse in a desirable North Leamington location. Property's got 4 double bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, some stunning outside space, double garage, and the current vendor's got an amazing cinema room with a Bowers Wilkins Dolby Atmos surround sound system. Let's take a look inside. Hope you've enjoyed the tour of this amazing property. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.